Have you ever watched the sky right before the sun disappears? It glows for just a few minutes, and then it's gone. Just like that. Quiet, soft, final. There's something strange about life. We all know it ends, but we live like it never will. Every single day, more than 150,000 people die. That's more than 6,000 people every hour. Over 100 people every minute. And about 2 people every second. Since you started listening to me, someone's heart stopped beating. Someone's story just ended. Maybe it was a young man driving too fast. Maybe it was a grandmother alone in her bed. Maybe it was someone just like you or someone you love. Death doesn't care where you're from. It doesn't ask how much money you have. It doesn't stop for your dreams, your regrets, or your age. It comes when it comes, and one day it will come for you and for me. But if we all know this, why do we still hurt each other? Why do people yell at the ones they love? Why do best friends stop talking over small mistakes? Why do families break apart, holding on to anger for years? We forget. We forget that we are all carrying the same invisible truth. We don't have forever. Have you ever sat in a quiet room, closed your eyes, and imagined your own funeral? Who would come? Who would cry because they truly loved you? Who would show up just out of politeness? What would they remember about you? Your voice, your laugh, the time you made them feel seen. Would they wish they had more time with you? Maybe that's the meaning of life. Not something grand, but something simple. Presence. Because in 120 years, none of us will be here. Not me, not you, not anyone you know. A whole new generation will walk this earth, and one day they will vanish too, just like us. That's the cycle. Quiet, soft, final. But maybe that's not something to fear. Maybe that's something beautiful. Because when you know something won't last, you start to cherish it, like that last hug before the airport, like that sunset you watched in silence, like your child's tiny fingers wrapped around yours, like the way someone says your name with love in their voice. These are the things that make life rich. But here's the part we often miss. Everything we do matters. Every word, every action leaves a mark. Think back to that time you lost your temper. Maybe you were tired or hurting, but the person you shouted at, they remember. It might seem small to you now, but it stayed with them. Maybe for years, maybe forever. The truth is, we can't undo our past, but we can choose what we do next. We can apologize. We can forgive. We can decide today to be more gentle, more aware. Because every moment you're alive is a moment to choose love. And yet, we spend so much of our time chasing things that won't last. Money, fame, power, even relationships. They change. Our bodies age. Our minds forget. Nothing is forever. And that's okay. Because knowing everything is temporary teaches us to let go, to stop clinging, to stop needing everything to be perfect, to simply be present. When you let go of needing things to last, you can finally enjoy them while they're here. That's the quiet truth. Every moment is a gift. Even the ordinary ones. That random smile from a stranger, the sound of rain tapping on the window, the way your friend laughs until they can't breathe. These moments are life. And maybe that's what life really is. Not a long journey toward success, but a short, delicate walk through beauty, love, and connection. But the thing is, we're all in this together. Every single person you pass on the street, they're dying too. Just like you, just like me. That person who cut you off in traffic, they're scared too. That friend who disappointed you, they're just trying to figure things out. We are not enemies. We are teammates. Strangers, yes, but also siblings of the same fate. So before you yell, pause before you judge, breathe before you hurt someone with your words. Ask yourself, is this what I want to leave behind? Because one day your voice will be quiet, and all that will remain is the feeling you gave to others. So love deeply, laugh fully, forgive often, hold someone's hand, say the words they need to hear. Because the truth is, all we ever have is now. This moment, right here,